Sorry, it's a family affair, you know? So I got to share, it's a family affair. Dust off my cape a little bit, you know? I got some songs I like to sing for the family, you know? Song for Kauai, this island right here. Song for love, song for this moment. Yeah, this moment. Yes, this moment, this moment, this moment. Yes, this moment. Yeah. This moment, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. See, I release and let go of my story. Never really needed it anyway. 'Cause all I ever have is this moment, this moment, this moment. I release and let go of my story. 'Cause no one's even reading it anyway. And all I ever have is this moment, 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 this moment. Well, every man must leave the garden. Well, every man must leave the garden. Every woman must leave. Every man will be forsaken, and every woman must bleed. But everything will be forgiven. So when you get back home, everything that once was broken is now completely whole, completely whole, completely whole, completely whole, completely whole, yeah, completely whole, completely whole. I'm completely whole. It's completely whole. Say completely whole, completely whole. We're completely whole. I'm completely whole, yeah, completely whole. I'm completely whole. So come back home. So come back home. Come on, Amber. So come back home. So come back home. Yes. I will climb back up the mountain. Come on, see. Well, I will climb back up the mountain. Hey. Well, I will climb back up the mountain. The mountain, the mountain, the mountain, the mountain. Yeah, see. And I will come back to the garden. Yeah. Well, I will come back to the garden. Whoa, see. Well, I will come back to the garden. The garden. The garden, the garden, the garden, yeah. And I will come back home. I'll come back home. I'll come back home. I'll come back home.
I'm already home. I got a heavy dome. I'm feeling like I need to let it go. That's a nice metronome. The beat's the rhythm and we gonna go and grind it and find that that's where my mind is. Got those open eyelids. Every single moment feels like twilight. Feeling like never gonna feel like I'm right. 'Cause I'm always light, that's the light on. Feeling like if you had to lose, you would fight God. That's what we're gonna find. That's what we're gonna digress. But we're gonna feel God.